Telling time. Ways of finding time. In ancient times, there were no clocks or watches. So, people looked at the sun to know the time. We can also tell time of the day by looking at our shadow. Our shadow is long in morning and evening. It is short at noon. Sun tells us the time when the sun starts to rise slowly, it is the morning. It is the time to start our work. When the sun is right above our head, we call it noon. The time after midday is called afternoon. We come back from the school in the afternoon. When the sun starts to set slowly, it is the evening. It sets in the west. It is the time to do our homework and play. Clocks. Clocks tell us the exact time. We should learn to read a clock. In the adjoining figure, the hour hand points to 8 and the minute hand points to 12. Hence the time is 8 o'clock. The time before noon is known as AM. And the time after noon is known as PM. Time is precious. We should not waste it. We must be punctual and do things on time. Weeks and months. There are 7 days in a week. You go to school from Monday to Friday. These days are known as weekdays. You play and spend time with your family on Saturday and Sunday. These days are known as the weekend. Sunday is a fun day because it is the last day of the week. You know that 7 days make a week. Let us now understand that. Calendar. A calendar also helps us to know what month of the year it is. Look at the pictures given below. You can see the names of the months in a year. All the months do not have the same number of days. Some months have 30 days and some months have 31 days. February is the shortest month, which has 28 days only. In some years, there are 29 days in February. Such years are called leap years. Do you know which months have 30 days and which have 31? Here is a fun way to learn it. Look at the picture of the fist. Begin with the right knuckle. Start saying the names of the months while counting the knuckles and gaps. The months which fall on knuckles have 31 days. The months which come on gaps have less than 31 days. Thus, number of days in each month of a year is given below.